Hello viewer, I will take the shapes here. So there are the custom shapes. So let's go with that custom shape. I will pick up a shape and take the picture from that one. I will take that picture again for the designs and show you how you can do this if you want to create the clipping mask. So I have filled that shape with the picture, and also we can make the further shapes. Here is the shape, and again we will repeat the process. Here we have that shape. So we will create clipping mask on the shape. So that's the clipping mask we have made on